Let's cook curry chicken in coconut milk. Here are the ingredients. 1 kilo chicken breast, 1½ tablespoon curry powder, 1½ cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ cup water, and 1/3 lemon. Heat the pan, pour olive oil and butter. Saute the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Add the curry powder, tomato paste, and cook until darkened slightly for about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour the coconut milk and water and simmer. Add the chicken, potatoes, and carrot. Sprinkle salt to taste. Stir occasionally until the chicken, potatoes, and carrot is cooked for 6 to 8 minutes or until the curry sauce thickens. Add the lemon to the sauce. And here's our curry chicken in coconut milk. This is best for rice toppings. Enjoy! Please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.